Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to enable the Debug Log Overlay option in Dev Settings for TalkBack in Realme 14 Pro phone. Where to find it, how to turn it on or off. So, first we need to go to our phone settings. Then we are looking for accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Next we need to tap the Vision tab at the top. Vision tab at the top, then TalkBack. Now we need to open this cog menu in top right corner. Then we're looking for advanced settings. Next we are looking for dev settings. And here we have our options. As you can see, we have quite a few of them. These are our switches, and here we have our option. So it's a simple on or off switch. The option is enabled, the option is disabled. Pretty easy. And that's all. Goodbye.